Thursday's vote is the most important for a generation. It's vital for Wales, for the valleys especially, for all our valley communities that have been so battered over the decades with the mines closing and so on, that we have a yes vote, a remain vote, an in vote on Thursday to keep Wales within the European Union. If we're on our own, if Britain is alone and isolated, rather than working with our 27 neighbouring European countries, then we're much weaker. If we're together with them, we're stronger to create more jobs, to attract more investment that can then trade the goods they manufacture or the services into the biggest, richest single market in the world, and our borders are safer. Because we're not on our own, facing terrorist threats, facing the problem of refugees from places like Syria. We can work with our neighbours to strengthen our borders and make sure that anybody who comes into this country is entitled to come into this country. For all these reasons, it's very important that you vote to remain, you vote in on Thursday.